retailer bounced back after facing a massive cash crunch that threatened to bring down one of Kenya's largest retail stores. KTN's Noah Kipkemboi reports on what this means for suppliers and consumers.
Oracom Holdings, which owns Tuskys chain of supermarkets, had its shareholders agree to continue with the ongoing process of sourcing for a strategic investor. The shareholders unanimously gave the green light for the acquisition of a majority stake in Tuskys. This will be driven by any equity investor who will further provide strategic leadership for the long-term growth of the business and for the benefit of all stakeholders. With 53 stores across the country, Tuskys attempted selling a majority stake hit a snag initially after one of their shareholders vowed to block the deal, citing internal wrangles had not been settled yet. The board is currently evaluating the various offers with the aim of concluding the recapitalization of the business in the shortest time possible. The new developments are a sigh of relief to the retail store, which was on the verge of closure, with suppliers counting millions of shillings in debt. Noah Kipkemboi, KTN News.
The Kenya Railways Corporation is banking big on reviving rail transport in the city through the massive rehabilitation of the Nairobi commuter rail network. The railway authorities